That's the drain for the power steering. You see that line? It runs all along there. That's your power steering line. So I tap into it here to drain it. If you have, discolored fluid or anything, just tap it here. I'm just gonna screw this up a little bit more so that it sits in there tight. Pretty tight. So yeah, we're going to bleed it. Well, we just finished bleeding it. Removed all the old power steering fluid. Might be contaminated with water. Oh yeah, we're not moving at all now. Yeah, we're not moving at all now. But the old fluid might be contaminated with water or something, so we're gonna go ahead and flush it, and we're gonna just put new fluid in it now. Just in case you didn't know, anything from 07 Honda uses new power steering. You put the old stuff in there, you'll burn the pump up. So, alright guys. Funnel's a little bit overkill, but sometimes you need a big funnel. Sometimes you just do, fellas. Are we there? Yep, we look like we're there. At the mark. Looks like we're there. Alright. Put this thing in.